tea, sweet tea, sweet tea, sweet tea, sweet.
7:30.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Taylor. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? My name's Taylor. Taylor here. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'm going to post about all things that I like to do, like running, hiking, being athletic. I'm an engineer. I currently live in Vancouver. A lot of fun stuff to do here, so I'm going to try and document that the best I can. Is it just me, or is being charismatic on camera really difficult? watching this, that means you made it through the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a mix of some archival footage that I've had from previous trips, as well as some recent footage I've taken with my drone and my GoPro. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked the content and you want to see more, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely looking forward to this YouTube journey. I'm putting up a lot of videos in the future surrounding such topics as running, racing, exploring Vancouver, travel, just general kind of vlogging, anything I think that people might be interested in, I'll try and throw up. Not throw up, but you know, I'll put it up on the internet. So once again, thank you, and stay tuned for more.
What'll it be, fellas?
Tea, sweet
Tea, sweet
tea, sweet
tea, sweet.
7:30.